everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing/review for Uniwigs. I'm so excited to be reviewing this unit that I'm going to be trying on for you guys. Uniwigs was super nice enough to send me this unit, and I'm so excited to test it out and give you guys my authentic reaction and review. So let's jump into it. And it has a receipt of what I ordered. Yeah, the Kaylee Coco Stray Virgin Remy hair, human hair lace wig, color 613, platinum blonde, length 24 inches, cap construction, full lace, cap size large, 180% density, and yeah, so whatever. Oh my god, the color is beautiful. The roots are not even as dark as I wanted them to, because I did not want the roots to be really dark. So this is the style. These are just care instructions for your wig, so that way it does last you a really long time. And oh my god, this is what the hair looks like. It is so gorgeous. I'm loving every detail on the unit. It's so full, the hair is so long, and I'm loving the color. It's just such a perfect shade for the roots. It's not too dark, and that's what I wanted to stay away from. And it is long, homegirl. Anyways, it does, oh, that's so cute. It brought a color chart. I've never got to own one of these. So it kind of just shows you all the colors that they have in a little color wheel. And they brought a brush, super cute. And let me see what else they got. Oh, okay, so they got me 2 wig caps. I have a black one and, some clips and some combs so I could sew it onto the wigs. That way it'll stay. Oh, and perfect, a nude wig cap. I'm gonna go try this on and I'll let you guys know what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is my real hair, and let me just start off by saying that I have not worn a wig in such a long time. And you know, usually I just have a sew-in or I have my clip-in extensions or whatever I'm doing that month, but it's so exciting to finally try out a full lace wig and, you know, just like do the most with it. So I'm super excited. So I'm just here putting on my wig cap and getting it ready to put that gorgeous baby on, you know. I was so impressed with the color and the density and volume of the hair. Everything was just so perfect. So I'm just gonna slap this baby on and do my little flip and have the big reveal moment. We all know what we're talking about when we do this. I am super impressed with the way they constructed this wig for me. I'm so impressed. I love the wig color. I love that this unit has such a light ash brown top color for the roots. It's so natural, and when you guys see I part it on the side, like I could just move it to any direction and it'll stay for the most part. But it's just an all-around like really well done unit, and I love it. It's really beautiful. Like, I am just so fixated with it. I'm so impressed. This unit is so realistic and it is so not clocky at all. The lace is very translucent, and honestly it's just so real. Like, you would never ever know, trust me, especially in person. It looks even better. And you guys, this hair is really long. It's 24 inches. Mind you, I'm only 5'5", so it does touch the lower back of my back, and I will not be cutting this at all. I love the one length, but I will be trimming some layers just to frame my face in the front of the unit. So that's all I will be touching, to be completely honest, because I just want to keep this length and this volume. So I'm gonna just tweak it ever so slightly. Next up, I decided I wanted to curl the hair to show you guys how good the curls last. I mean, they stay for so many hours, and I really don't even put that much heat when I use the curling wand. So it's just really good hair. I love it. Yeah, and it's super simple to curl, so I'm just gonna be curling the entire wig. So I sewed on one of the combs on the back just so that way I could snug her into my wig cap, and then I also added an adjustable strap. Tug her in here. Ah, she's a woman. She is beautiful. I'm loving this. She makes me feel so bitchy, and I love it. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is like by far one of the best wigs that I have, and I really do give it to them. This is a really great unit. If you are looking to change up your hair without necessarily doing anything to your actual hair, I highly recommend Uniwigs. You know, this is a little show and tell, so let me just turn around so you guys can see a little side profile. This is what she looks like from the side. One thing that I cannot stress to mention is please make sure that you get your wig cap size. Try to go a little bit bigger. Remember, you have to like put all that hair underneath the wig and it still has to look natural. So please do not get a tight, small, little cap construction because it will F up the entire look. Trust me, you guys. I've ordered wigs in the past and I've ordered it small because I thought I had a small head. I had to wait so long for a wig that did not even fit my head and I was so angry at myself. I was just like, why didn't I go bigger just to be safe? So if you are gonna order a wig and you're not really sure what cap size you are, just go for a large because you know, you could always take out, but you can't add. So yeah. I'm loving her. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All details on this unit will be down in the description. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Links will be down in the description. And until next time, I will be seeing you guys very soon.